Hey YouTube, welcome to my first tutorial. In this tutorial I will explain how we can install multiple versions of Node.js on our machine, especially on our Windows machine. So what happens sometimes is that for some package from npm we need some different version of Node, and for some projects which is in our machine, like it needs some different projects. It needs some different Node.js installation. So for that we need to install and again uninstall and swipe between versions of Node.js. So a workaround for that is a Node version manager. So let's look at it. So this is the Node version manager. You can go to this npm sh repository from github.com, and then here we have nvm for Windows. So you can scroll down, and here nvm Windows we have here, and here you can go to releases, and here we have this nvm setup.zip. So I can download it by clicking on this nvm setup file. So this file is getting downloaded here. It's of like approx 2 MB of setup. So what you have to do, it's just install this. Let's explain it. You can extract it here, extract all, and we can click on this nvm setup file. You can click on accept agreement, next, and click on install. I think I have already installed this, so I'm pressing this cancel button. So after getting installed, you can go here and type nvm list. So it will list you all the Node versions that you have installed. So currently I have 4 versions of Node installed on my machine, which is 12, 10, 8 and 6. If I want to switch between version, then I have to use the command nvm use, and I'll say 6.17.1, and I'm now good to go. I can see, like, I can type node -v, and it will give me the Node version that I am currently using. Similarly, I can use nvm install to install any version, that is suppose 11, say, and when I hit enter, then it will install some version which is like I have specified 11, so it's downloading me the 11.0.0, and it's downloading, and after downloading this will be available in this list. And same way I can like select between Node versions using this nvm use command, and use that version of Node. And thanks for watching.